You guys are 5'5" as far as sound and everything goes.
Okay, so that means I work.
Yeah, it works. Now we just got to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning to reconnect, but hey. All right, I'm coming back in. I'm recording now to see. It should have recorded both of you guys fine. All right, I'm coming back.
Need to rub my butt, Mike.
Now let's say something.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So then, if I do a private chat, let's see.
Private chat on.
But who are you chatting with?
I don't know.
I hear
me,
you.
Dallas? You don't hear me? So how do I add Dallas?
That's a pretty cool find out here in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, definitely. I'll have to come back there.
Yeah, and it is. I mean, it's literally in the middle of nowhere, I guess. All right, this is my traditional setup that I've been using for the last couple of years for motovlogging or using the camera setup on our side-by-sides. It is just a chin clamp mount. This is a GoPro 11, and I use a Purple Panda mic, and that's the dead cat that comes with it. And you have to use an adapter to get the sound through that comes with a Purple Panda mic, and you plug it directly back into the media mod on the GoPro 11, and that's traditionally the sound I get. Great quality. It works very good using it this way. The key to getting good audio is putting the dead cat, the furry little thing here, pretty much as close to your mouth as you can. It's going to cut down on the wind resistance or the ambient noise, but you still do pick up the outside motorcycle or the engine revs and whatever machine you're using this device. All right, so we had a lot of people ask us how we were capturing all three audios on our system, because traditionally all you hear is me talking on the older ones through that mic there. So I did watch some YouTube videos, did some research, little trial and error, and I will show you how we recorded all of our conversations at one time. It's actually very easy to do and everything, and I'm not a technically guy. I'm actually technically challenged, but we figured it out and it worked pretty well. So I'll show you the setup that we used. So this is basically the system I run. This is all the wiring that's coming out of the Cardo and the splitter cables. I went to Walmart and I bought a pack of stereo cable organizers. That's them right here. They stick onto the helmet. I run all the wire in there so it keeps them nice and tucked up against the helmet, no flapping. It splits here a little bit, so I just put some electrical tape there to keep that nice and tight. And then I got a fourth one up here. At that point, you're going to run your stereo breakout cable directly into your GoPro. Just remember that since you're using the stereo breakout cable, it records in stereo. So if I'm playing on the phone, I hear everything at one time. If I'm playing the YouTube video on my TV, I hear everything at one time. But if you're playing it on your computer or a separate system, it's connected into a stereo, you're going to hear the guys on the Cardo come out one side, and then you're going to hear yours coming out another side. Because remember, you're recording everything that they're saying through your Cardo system. But everything that you're saying is going through your lav mic. So you basically are recording two channels at one time, and that's the way that the setup is run. And like I said, I'm running the Cardo Edge Pack Talk. All three of us are. So this will work on the Cenas and the Cardos as well. So it's the same exact setup and the way that we're going to run it. The hardest part on doing these is actually just setting up and getting everything underneath your lid, underneath the padding. And I know there's really no light in here, so it's not very easy to see, but there's no wires that are sticking out. Everything is tucked up underneath your padding. So you are going to have to remove all the padding in your helmet and Velcro your wires, tape your wires or whatever. Every helmet's different. And you're going to tuck it away and then put your padding back in. Now, I do have some of the pieces out. What I don't have is a splitter, because the splitter that I have is actually inside the helmet. But you'll need the splitter, which is in the picture here that you're seeing now. And it is a 3.5 millimeter splitter. You need a male end to 2 females. All right, so also what you're going to need is what's called an attenuator cable. It's also 3.5 millimeter jack, male to male. I'm not an audio tech guy, so I can't tell you 100% what it does, but my understanding, it sort of like keeps from over modulating on the system that we're going to set up. So you need a 3.5 millimeter male to male. Also, you're going to need a stereo breakout cable. It is once again a 3.5 millimeter, and that is what is going to go the male side into your GoPro, and then you're going to have your male and female ends on there as well. And we're going to explain what plugs into what and how you set this thing up. So how is everything mounted on the inside? So you've got your Cardo coming out the side of your helmet like it would normally. And then what I just did was, right now this is taped because I had taken this thing apart and I don't have any small zip ties. So I've just got it taped, and I taped the lavalier mic right up next to the Cardo. So basically between the two, the Panda mic is closer to my mouth, but the Cardo mic is so sensitive that it picks up as well. So that's basically how it's mounted. Like I said, I don't know if you can see or not, but there's no wiring or anything that is visible. Everything is tucked up inside your helmet. So it's not very hard to set up and run. You just have to play with it. A couple of times I ordered the wrong pieces of equipment, but I'm putting the right pieces that I ordered in the pictures of the video here. And it just gives you good sound and a good way to go. Now, the only problem, and I always got to remember when I'm doing it, is because you don't want a bunch of wire that's flopping. So if I want to open up the front of my modular helmet, I have to remember to pick and pull out the stereo breakout cable. Then that way I can open up the modular system and it's not pulling the wire out on its own or that kind of thing. And it's just, you got to remember when you start back up to plug it back in and you're up and running again. That is the only drawback on the side mount, but that's just the way it goes. So basically what you're going to do is, you see the picture of the stuff in there. First thing you're going to do is you're going to disconnect your Cardo system, okay? So once you have the Cardo system in there, you're going to do a couple of things. All right, so let me get my cheat sheet here and basically show you what we're going to do. So you're going to undo your Cardo. You're going to take your male splitter and you're going to put it in the female jack of your Cardo, okay? Then the headphone of your Cardo, which is going to be the male end, is going to go into the female splitter, okay? Then you're going to take the attenuator cable, which is this cable here, and you're going to plug this into the second female splitter. So you've got your Cardo comms, you got your headphone in the female splitter, you got your attenuator cable into the female splitter, and so you're good to go on that there. Now, what you're going to do on the attenuator cable, remember you got one end that's going to be open. So at that point, and this is the wrong attenuator cable, so it's not going to work. But what this would end up doing is pretty much this. You would go the stereo breakout cable, the red to the attenuator. So if this was a proper one, and it's not because this is one of the ones I ordered wrong. It should be a 3.5 millimeter female. That will go in there like that. Then the Panda mic, which is here, would go into the black port of this here. So My Panda mic, this is two separate Pandas. I've got one embedded in my helmet, then I've got this one here when I wear with other helmets. But just to show you, the Panda would go into the black, okay? And that's basically all you do. And then right here is going to be the male, which will go into the back of your GoPro. And that's it.